when Kangana asked the Himachal Pradesh government for security after she claimed to expose the alleged drug nexus of Bollywood. As Sena threatened her, Kangana compared the maximum city to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, a jibe that she repeated again as she landed in Mumbai. Here's a look back.
Kangana is on a warpath. She's the Jhansi ki Rani fighting for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, Maratha pride, and she's also on the mission to expose the Bollywood drug cartel. In her fight, she's also taken on Shiv Sena and Maharashtra's Maha Aghadi government. She was also given Y category security by the Home Ministry on the recommendation of the Himachal Pradesh government. It all started on 30th August when Kangana demanded security from the centre and the Himachal government, saying that she didn't trust the Mumbai police. This one statement snowballed into a mega political fight, with the Sena threatening the actor. The fight exploded after Kangana hit back with a ferocious Twitter attack, comparing Mumbai to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. An angry Sena went on the warpath against Kangana, burning her posters and telling her she had no right to come back to Mumbai.
जिनको इस प्रकार का बयान जिन्होंने दिया और वो समझते हैं कि मुंबई में उनका रहना सुरक्षित नहीं है या महाराष्ट्र में उनका रहना सुरक्षित नहीं है, तो उनको मुंबई या महाराष्ट्र में रहने का अधिकार नहीं है.
Not one to back down, Kangana declared that she would be returning to Mumbai from Manali on 9 September, even claiming that she will make the time of her arrival public. This time, she compared Mumbai and its government to the Taliban. As the Kangana versus Sena war exploded, it got downright abusive.
आपने जिसका भौंडा प्रदर्शन पूरे समाज के सामने, पूरे देश के सामने किया है, वो मानसिकता इसकी जिम्मेदार है. और इस देश की बेटियां आपको माफ नहीं करेगी संजय जी. आपने उन सब महिलाओं का शोषण करने वालों को सशक्तिकरण किया है. इस देश की बेटियां आपको माफ नहीं करेंगी.
By Monday, Sena had upped the ante by getting the Mumbai civic body to take on Kangana for alleged illegal constructions at her office. Kangana claimed that the BMC was threatening to demolish her office building. By Tuesday, a whole new angle was added to the Kangana versus Sena war. The Maharashtra government decided to probe Kangana's alleged drug link based on an old interview of her ex-boyfriend and actor Adhyayan Suman.
She asked you to take cocaine.
Yeah.
You had hash with her for...
I did 4-5 times, yeah.
And she asked you to have cocaine.
Yeah, I said no. I didn't want to do it. Didn't feel...
She took it regularly?
Well, I didn't see her taking cocaine regularly, but I've heard that she did. She did hash regularly.
Kangana, who'd earlier claimed that 99% of Bollywood was into drugs, now declared that she was ready for a blood test. The climax to the Kangana-Sena fight came on Wednesday morning. As the actor prepared to land in Mumbai, the BMC moved in to demolish her office building. The building was razed even before she was back in the city. Kangana called the demolition drive death of democracy and once again compared Mumbai to Pakistan. She declared that this was like Babur's army razing the Ram Mandir. Sena and Kangana are at daggers drawn. And make no mistake, this fight is far from over. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.